everyone, Daisy here, just to share my how to kill a kit with style kit. This is a YouTube hop that a bunch of us YouTubers are doing for the month of June, and I believe July, for sure June. So I'm going to show you what I pulled together for June. This is a thing where you can either pull stuff from your stash, you can use an existing kit, whatever you want to get kind of used up. And so I kind of pulled stuff from my stash, and this is an older collection. It's from 2009 by My Mind's Eye, called Penny Lane, and I have this paper pack, and this is one of the first paper packs that I ever bought. And I've used up some papers. I've pulled some out that I'm going to be putting together for a giveaway, but these are some of the papers that I am hoping to get used up. And I love this collection, but you know, like this paper I love, but this paper I love, when things sit in your stash, you know, you tend not to get them used up. So I am going to try to use this paper pack up. And I have a couple of ideas. I want to make a mini album because I'm going to be teaching some classes at a local scrapbooking store, and one of the things that the owner would like is mini albums. So I am going to, I've never really made a mini album before, so I'm going to make one this month, and I'm going to be using this collection. This is kind of a more fall theme collection. I feel like the colors kind of lend towards more fall themes, so I have some perfect pictures for that, and so that's kind of what I'm going to be going towards with this kit. So these are the papers that I'm going to use, and I think at the end of the summer what I'm going to do is anything I have left over, I'm going to put together a couple of little kits, and so it might be kind of a mishmash of stuff, and give them away here on my channel. You know, just kind of like a stash giveaway, just to try to get them out of my stash, because I feel like I don't gravitate towards this anymore. And I did already, like I said, pull out a bunch of the papers out of this paper pack to give away. So like this one, even when I originally bought it, I was never going to use this one. I think I might have used this paper, but I covered this whole bird situation up. Another bird. So I think what I'll do is, once I get like my July kit and everything, I think these papers are all going to go into my giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I did pull coordinating cardstock that I have out, and I'm probably going to put that in the giveaway as well, because these are colors that I struggle to use anyway. But anyhow, on with the kit. So some other things that I pulled out, I have these DIY little burlap stickers from Simple Stories. They have been in my stash for a while, so I'm going to try to get those used up. I just went through and I pulled things out that I've been struggling to use, or that have just been, you know, collecting dust that would go well with this collection. So I pulled out these October Afternoon, and these are just fall themed, and there's a few of these in here, like kind of the orange ones that I thought would go really well. Got another October Afternoon, and because of the pictures that I pull, or that I'm planning on doing my mini album with, are of my daughter. After I got my iPhone 7 Plus, I did a kind of photo shoot with my daughter in the leaf pile, and so I pulled some things out that I thought would go well with that. I have these little leather things, and I don't know if these came in a Freckle Fawn kit or if these came from Scraptastic kit, but I've had them forever. I have Dream Big and Today, and I thought that they might go well. I have these few Pink Fresh Studio wood drop stickers, and I have been hoarding these. I love these, and so I'm going to try to get those used up. I have these Cute Girl wood veneer, and I was thinking about pulling in more wood veneer as well. Oh, this just fell out of something here. Throw this back in here quick so I don't lose it. I have these Jelly Bean Soup mini placemats, and these are something I have also been hoarding. These are from 2014, and I think I got them in a Scraptastic Kit Club kit. I have this trim that I got in a Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit, and it, again, the color goes well. And then this is something that I pulled together before. These are all little stickers and word stickers and things. And mainly they are these tile letter stickers. These are either My Mind's Eye, or there's also Simple Stories one. Oh, there's a flare. That would go really well with this kit. So I want to try to get these tile stickers, not necessarily used up, but I want to use them. I have some of these pink paisley stickers, Felicity Jane ones, and so I want to try to grab these stickers because, again, the colors I feel like would go really well, and I just have so many of these little kinds of stickers that I thought it'd be nice to try to use some of these. I have some feathers. So it's just, you know, kind of, again, a mishmash basket of randomness. And so I've got some different flare buttons, the original I Am, snap sheets, more feathers. So just trying to get some of this stuff used up. Oh, some funny stickers. What is this? Oh, some Heidi Swap acrylic words. That I think would go. And planner stickers and stuff like that. I won't necessarily use all of this stuff up, but this is just, I want to try to grab from this basket of stickers, the, you know, different things that I have in here, and see if I can get some of that stuff used up. I do want to pull in some of these Cream of Flowers, because I think these colors lend really well to this collection. And I have, as you can see, this is all I have left of like my flower stash. I did go through and get rid of a bunch, and I could probably go through again and get rid of more. So it would be good to try to use some of these up because I have never been good with using these. So add some Cream of Flowers to this kit. And then I have this big thing of wood veneer, and it is a collection of different things. A lot of Scraptastic wood veneer. I have these ones from Michaels that look like little doilies that I can use some of these on. Maybe my mini album. These are supposed to be snowflakes, I think, are from Recollections. Happy Halloween, I cut one of them apart. And again, just a bunch of random little bits and pieces. Oh, this will actually work for a project I'm doing right now. But I forget that I have these because I don't have them all out in front of me, right? So that's kind of part of the problem when you have a large stash, is you use kind of what's within arm's reach of you because it's easier and you don't have to go digging for it. And so I think that if I keep these things out, keep them handy, keep them on my desk, that I might be able to get some of this stuff used up. So there is a large group of people who are playing along. If you look down in the description box, there should be links to everybody's channel. I hope everybody got added that wanted to be. If you want to play along, we definitely would love to see like your kit shares and everything. So if you just tag one of us, or I'm sure we'll have a hashtag for it. If there is a hashtag, I'll put it down in the description box too, so we can see what you're creating. But what we're going to do is, we don't necessarily have to do a video for each thing we create. It's just we're supposed to kind of use this kit as much as we can, and then at the end we'll go through and do kind of a flip through of what we created with it. So I hope you play along. I hope you enjoyed this kit, and I will see you again soon. Bye!